What's the meaning of conflagration? Conflagration. Conflagration.
Conflagration. Conflagration. Conflagration refers to a large, fierce, and destructive fire that can cause extensive damage to property and people. The result of a conflagration is often devastating, with buildings and homes being destroyed and lives lost. The impact of a conflagration can be felt long after the fire has been extinguished, as communities struggle to rebuild and recover from their losses. These fires can occur naturally, with lightning strikes or other environmental factors, but are often caused by human negligence or malfeasance. Preventing conflagrations is a crucial responsibility for individuals and society as a whole.